Have you ever wondered where chocolate comes from? Keep watching. Hi everyone, it's Audra with Urban Gardening, and today we are in Hilo, Hawaii on the Big Island on vacation, and we went to this cute little store downtown Hilo called the Locavore store, Locavore, I don't know. Anyway, it's a store where they've got all kinds of local things like local produce and local crafts and local meats and local stuff. It's like a teeny tiny little grocery store. Anyway, we were in there and we saw this. This is a cacao. And the man in the store was super nice. We were in there talking about it and he overheard. He was like, "Here, just have one." And so he gave it to us. I really don't know why he gave it to us besides that he's a nice man. So anyway, there are beans inside of here, I understand, and that when you roast them and do other stuff to them, that's where chocolate comes from. So today we are going to unbox this cacao pod to see what's inside of it. So, I've never done this before, so here goes. I have a cutting board and a knife. And I guess I'm just gonna go in the middle. Well, it's not too hard. It's pretty soft. Like, not as hard as a potato, but harder than an apple. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Not what I was expecting. Okay, so looks like there's some beans. It smells sweet, kind of. Okay, well, I thought when you opened it, it would be like bean pods. I don't know, maybe this is, I mean, there is like a little bean, like I cut them in half. Maybe I wasn't supposed to do that, I don't know. But like right in there, you can see how there's that outer piece and then like a seed or something on the inside. I'm not really sure. So, I'm gonna taste it, because why not? Tastes like nothing. I'm not gonna swallow it. Pretty much tastes like nothing. So I'm gonna try some of this part here. I hear that this part is bitter. Tastes like nothing. So I'm gonna cut this again long ways. Just see if I'm gonna cut the outside edge, and then I don't know, this may not work. I was gonna try and peel it or break it or something. Maybe I could get the beans intact. Okay, so this is a little bit different. You can almost peel it. Maybe this is how I was supposed to do it. Okay, so you can kind of peel that off, and then I don't know, maybe that, and then like this is the bean pod that I cut in half. So maybe that's what you're supposed to do. I'm not really sure. So anyway, there it is. The inside of a cacao pod. Tastes like nothing. Smells kind of sweet. Not too hard. So there you go. Curiosity answered. Thanks for watching. See you next time.